In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can remove viruses from your Android phone. Now, there is a few ways that we can do this, but the first thing we need to do is head over to our files. So if you go to your files and then you go to your download section, the first thing that we need to check is that there is no unusual downloads on our phone. If you see something here that you've not downloaded yourself, or maybe something that has been downloaded through a third party app or website, you can go to it, you can simply click and hold down, and then you can go down to the bottom and then click on delete. Now, once you remove that to the recycle bin, you can also empty the recycle bin to remove that permanently. But what else we can do also, if this doesn't help, is we can go to settings, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom, go to about phone, and then we can simply go down and then click on reset. Once we click on reset, you will then need to go down and select factory data reset, which will essentially reset your whole phone. And what this will do is simply just remove everything, including all files and viruses from the device. Now, this is not the ideal option because obviously everything will be removed from the phone. But if you do need to do this, I do recommend backing up your device first of all.